Mehanni, and this week's Aqua tip is not an exercise that's mind-blowingly different from anything you've done. So what I want to do is talk about the teaching of it and what the participant's supposed to be feeling. So this is a classic exercise. So feet on the bottom of the pool wide, and you're basically stirring the water around with your dumbbell. Held this way with hands on either side. So basically it's a stirring around action. Now, where am I feeling this? Give you 3 guesses. People say arms. No. Some people say in the legs. I'd be like, where? Some people say it's an abdominal exercise. Maybe a little bit. You're going to feel it in the inner thigh of one side. So the side that you're pulling towards first, so I'm moving to my right, it's my right adductor. My right adductor has to steady my body as the dumbbell pulls across to the left. Now that is something worth communicating to participants, right? This is an inner thigh exercise. You need to push your right leg down into the ground to be able to drive that dumbbell across. Now that's an important teaching cue. How many of us have ever thought of saying that? I don't know, but when you're in the water and you're pulling that thing around, that's exactly what you're doing. You're pushing that right leg in. So obviously it makes sense that you need to also do it on the other side. So I'm using my left adductor now, and my left hamstring a bit more as well. So hamstrings are also involved to be able to keep that still, to be able to create the power to drive the dumbbell across. Makes sense, doesn't it? So, how much dumbbell you have in the water will determine intensity, of course. So you want to decrease the intensity, encourage your participants to take the top part of the dumbbell out of the water. Encourage more intensity, get it deeper in the water, but don't go slower at the same pace. Also, really important when you're teaching on side of the deck that you encourage a big range of motion, not small ones, which they will do because it's easier. So it's not their fault, it's just part of human nature that we want to make things easier. You're also going to get a definitely torso workout. So I can definitely feel muscles in my back working to try and keep that thing, keep my body stable, to create the force. And then of course on the opposite side. So I'm definitely feeling all the way up that left side. So everything on the left side engages when you circle around to the left. Wow, so cool. So if you're teaching this and you want to be precise, I'm a little bit like that, I can't help myself. I like everyone to be going the same way so then I can talk about that side of the body and then everyone going the same way the other way so I can talk about the opposite side of the body so it makes sense to everyone that's in my class. Otherwise, if people are just choosing random directions because I'm saying circle the dumbbell, not giving them how to circle clockwise or anti-clockwise, then it becomes harder to provide the appropriate muscular tension cues about where they should feel it. And why should you talk about where they should feel it? Because that's where you get more commitment. That's where you get more buy-in. That's where participants go, oh, I understand why I'm doing this exercise. When I was a group fitness coordinator for many years, I used to run surveys and would ask my participants what they wanted more from their instructors. And for Aqua, it was always, please tell us what muscles we're working, because it makes more sense when we know. So something to think about. How often are you communicating? It doesn't need to be specific names, but it needs to be where they should be feeling it the most. So you'll be a much more effective instructor if you can communicate that well. So here we are, taking a classic exercise that perhaps we've done a million times, but maybe thinking about a different way of communicating that message to our participants with where they should be feeling it, and that's this week's Aqua tip. This week's Aqua tip requires a swirling action in the water. On land, it's super easy to demonstrate, but a little bit harder to communicate. So let me just explain. So you want the feet out, you want the knees slightly bent, and you're pushing the dumbbell across the body and circling. Now remember that when I was talking about this in the water, as the dumbbell goes, say, to my right, it's my left adductor and hamstring that has to work a lot harder to keep the body, you're pushing into the bottom of the pool to be able to stabilize the body. And you're stabilizing the body the whole way through. So you are working one side. So this is how I would teach it. All right, everyone, I want you to take your arms in a clockwise direction. So I'm facing them, you understand? Clockwise for them, the anti-clockwise for me. Clockwise direction. You're going to feel it more on the inside of this thigh. So I want you to push that foot down into the water. Push it down so that you can create more power with your arms. And that's how I would explain it. So they understand the relationship between what's happening here and what's happening there. And if they're not moving very strongly, it's because they're not understanding that they need to drive that foot into the bottom of the pool. So let's discuss another little point here, depth of water. Because if the water's too deep, they'll be way too buoyant. There's not going to be any pushing down on the bottom of the pool, and their arm action will be very, very moderate. They need to get shallow enough, they've got enough body weight being translated into their lower body so they can get that drive off the bottom of the pool to be able to create that upper body workout, which is really effective. Yeah, we love this. So great from a recovery cardio point of view, but really good for adductor, torso, and upper body strengthening. So just remember to push into the floor, show them what the leg has to drive into the floor as they move. And it's in the opposite direction. So if your hands are going this way, it's going to be that leg that's going to demonstrate the push into the bottom of the pool. And that's this week's active tip.